Hello, my brilliant student. In this past question from NECO 2025, we are going to simplify a Surd expression from question 13. QandA Help at QandAHelp.com is a place to get adequate preparations for your NECO, WAEC, and JAMB exams. We will solve this expression gently and clearly, so the process is easy to follow. Our goal is to simplify 5 root 12 minus 4 root 75 plus 3 root 48. This main equation will stay at the top of our board throughout the lesson. To begin, we look for factors inside these roots that are perfect squares, numbers like 4, 9, 16, and 25. Once we identify these factors, we can extract them from the square root. This is a primary step in solving advanced Surd problems. Let's focus on the first part, 5 root 12. 12 is 4 times 3, and 4 is a perfect square. The square root of 4 is 2, making it 2 root 3. Now multiply this 2 by the 5 outside. 5 times 2 gives us 10, which leaves us with 10 root 3 for our first term. We place this simplified value back into our main equation at the top. Following this extraction and multiplication sequence provides a clear and confident method for handling the rest of the problem. Next, the second term, negative 4 root 75. 75 breaks into 25 times 3. The square root of 25 is 5. Pull that outside and multiply it by the negative 4. This results in negative 20 root 3. Our main expression becomes simpler. Both terms now share a root 3 component, which means they are like surds that can be combined. Finally, simplify 3 root 48. It breaks into 16 times 3. The square root of 16 is 4. Multiplying by the 3 outside gives 12 root 3. Now the entire expression is uniform, 10 root 3 minus 20 root 3 plus 12 root 3. Since every term ends in root 3, we can treat the root as a common unit. Combining these is like adding and subtracting oranges. 10 minus 20 plus 12 changes the number, not the fruit. We calculate the numbers outside the roots. 10 minus 20 is negative 10, plus 12 gives a final result of 2 root 3. Converting the expression into uniform terms shows that option D is the correct answer. During an exam, you need to work efficiently. Let's look at how to speed up this process. A useful shortcut is to see that 12, 75, and 48 are all multiples of 3. This immediately points you toward your perfect square factors. Skipping the step-by-step breakdown and extracting the roots mentally can save time. By calculating the multiplication directly, you can move from the initial expression to the grouped coefficients in just one line of writing. Applying these shortcuts helps you manage the intense time constraints of the NECO exam effectively, keeping you focused and confident. To recap, find the perfect square factor, extract the square root, multiply the outside number, and combine the like surds. Our result is option D. Let's try some quick quizzes to practice these steps. Quiz 1. Simplify the square root of 27. 27 is 9 times 3. The square root of 9 is 3, so the answer is 3 root 3. Quiz 2. Simplify 2 root 20. 20 is 4 times 5. We pull out a 2, multiply it by the 2 outside, and get 4 root 5. Final quiz. Simplify 3 root 12 minus the square root of 27. 3 root 12 is 6 root 3, and root 27 is 3 root 3. Subtracting them leaves us with 3 root 3. You have done well today. For more detailed tutorials for NECO, WAEC, and JAMB, visit QandAHelp.com and remember to subscribe to our channel.